Welcome once again to Talk Jamaican, where you get to learn my beautiful Jamaican patois. Remember, I do a commentary in patois, then I give you an overview of what I said in English. Just get my copy of Talk Jamaican from Amazon.com, and soon you'll be able to chat like me. Remember to subscribe to this channel and share these videos with your friends. Have yourself a wonderful day. So tell me something. You have one gathering. What do you mean you don't know about gathering, B? Where you come from? You know Jamaican? Gathering protect you from evildoer. It protect you from dopey. It protect you from gunman. Yeah, man. You know, a serious thing, you know, hard pass and then turn up and pulpit and tell us I gotta protect them. And they have on their gathering. No criminal have big gun, but they have their gathering. All whole heap of DJ too, a gathering. Enough people were gathering. Me did see one time, long time ago. He had a big thick ring and he had one little hole in the back. And you carry it go to the Obeah man or the mother and then put some white powder in the add that they say will protect you. But me want to know, suppose them put flour or salt in it, what you gonna know? Anyway, you believe, say, this thing I go guard you, so you carry back the ring to the man who make it, and he seal up the hole and nobody no know, say you have a gathering. You know, me never remember about gathering, although so much people wear them, they not tell you, no. But me never remember about it till the other day, me I listen to the trial of the wicked boy, then say the clansman gang from Spanish Town. Then lock up all the them, you know, all one woman passing, then lock up too. Because the gang they are going with whole heap of badness in a Spanish Town for long time, you know. But they never touch them because them and the politician, they mix up. PNP politician mix up with some gang. JLP politician mix up with some gang. So all them the bad boy can do as them like and nobody never trouble them. But now they hold up some of the clansman gang one them. And two of the boy them from the gang turning farmer. And so we are here enough things where the wicked boy them go on with, you know. Then terrorize people in the bus park, in the market, all over. If you don't pay them money every week, they say extortion. If you don't pay them the extortion money, you know, then kill you, know, and burn down your place. Anyway, may I listen to the trial the other day, and me hear one of the informers say that the person woman who in the gang did have the gathering. And so me remember about the gathering business. People take Obeah serious, you know. Man, if you want a good Obeah man or a good Obeah woman, you just drive in a country and you look for the red flag at the gate. You will find that a way you find the Obeah man and the Obeah woman. And then we tell you who we make the gathering for you and we protect you from dopey and gunman. Go on, man, if you believe it, go on. Do you have a gathering? Do you know what a gathering is? A gathering is. It is part of the occult practice. We call it Obeah. Now, it looks like an ordinary signet ring. It's very innocuous looking, except that it is very thick. It is built with a hole in the back. You then take it to a practitioner, an Obeah man or a mother, and they will stuff some magical powder inside the ring to protect you from murderers, ghosts, or any kind of evildoers. This ring is supposed to be very powerful. And then, anyway, you take it back to the person who made it and they will seal it. So no one recognizes that this big ring that you're wearing on your finger is indeed a gathering and that you're a believer in the occult. You know, a lot of criminals, they have big guns. And yet they have this great belief that this little powder in the gathering will protect them. A lot of dancehall DJs use it. Parsons use it. They are on the pulpit telling you that God will protect you. But guess what? They have on a gathering. Not all parsons, of course. But it's a strange practice. And I really don't know how people are so gullible and easy to believe that these little symbols can really protect them in life. But as they say, To each his own. Have yourself a wonderful day, and as we say, walk good.